Sandys, addiction, Sandys, addiction, మా తెలుగు తల్లికి సాంగ్.
మరుగు తల్లికి మల్లె పూదండ, మా కన్న తల్లికి మంగళారతులు.
So for the moment he stand and ask again. Why do you ask? She's look at the cave and say there are different of people starting different languages, wearing different clothes and a different food. And what makes us all Indian? He thought that he began to say how the many people had shaped and the landscapes for rises and falls of the emperor and the empresses. And he described the Britishers to the other. And a lot of people have sacrificed for our Independence Day. And the Jawaharlal Nehru has announced that the 14th on August 9th. Thank you for
Thank you.
Attention, channel is Speech in Telugu by Sneha Priya.
ప్రియా, నేను 3వ తరగతి చదువుతున్నాను. ముందుగా గౌరవనీయులైన ప్రధానోపాధ్యాయులు గారికి, ఉపాధ్యాయులు గారికి మరియు ఇక్కడికి విచ్చేసిన అతిథులకు మరియు నాతోటి విద్యార్థులకు 77వ స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. అలాగే నాకు ఈ అవకాశం కల్పించినందుకు నా హృదయపూర్వక ధన్యవాదాలు. ఈరోజు ఆగస్టు 15 జెండా పండుగ. మనకు స్వాతంత్రం 1947 ఆగస్టు 15 వచ్చింది. 200 సంవత్సరాల బ్రిటిష్ పాలనలో ప్రజలు అందరూ ఎన్నో కష్టాలు పడ్డారు. బ్రిటిష్ పాలన నుంచి ప్రజల్ని విముక్తుల్ని చేయడం కోసం ప్రజలు ఎంతో మంది కృషి చేశారు. వారు ముఖ్యంగా గాంధీజీ, అల్లూరి సీతారామరాజు, జవహర్లాల్ నెహ్రూ, సుభాష్ చంద్రబోస్, భగత్ సింగ్ ఇంకా మొదలైన వారు ఎందరో ఉన్నారు. మనం ఈ రోజు ఎంత స్వేచ్ఛగా ఉన్నామంటే ఎందరో స్వాతంత్ర సమరయోధుల త్యాగాలు. ఇంతటితో నా ఉపన్యాసాన్ని ముగిస్తున్నాను. ధన్యవాదాలు. జై హింద్.
Attention, channel is Speech in Hindi by Ratnamma.
गूंज रहा है दुनिया में हिंदुस्तान का नारा, चमक रहा है आसमान में तिरंगा हमारा। माननीय मुख्य अतिथि, आदरणीय शिक्षकगण और मेरे प्यारे भाइयों और बहनों, सभी को मेरा प्यार भरा नमस्कार। मेरी नाम रत्न कुमारी, मैं 6वीं कक्षा पढ़ रही हूँ। सबसे पहले आप सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक बधाई। भारत हमारा देश है, भारत माता हम सब की माता है, हम सब भाई भाई है। भारत के उत्तर में हिमालय पर्वत है, दक्षिण में हिंद महासागर है, पूरब में बंगाल की खाड़ी है, इसके पश्चिम में अरब महासागर है। यहाँ विशाल वन है। 15 अगस्त भारत देश के गर्व, सम्मान व सौभाग्य का दिवस है। यह हमारा राष्ट्रीय पर्व है। 15 अगस्त 1947 को भारत ब्रिटिश शासन से मुक्त हुआ। तब से सभी भारतवासी इन दिन को स्वतंत्रता दिवस के रूप में निश्चित रूप से इस्तेमाल करें। हम सभी यहाँ भारत के 77वें स्वतंत्रता दिवस मनाया जाता है। यह दिन हमें महात्मा गांधी जी, भगत सिंह, सुभाष चंद्र बोस, पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू, मंगल पांडे, लाल लाजपत राय समेत सैकड़ों स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों के त्याग, तपस्या और बलिदान की याद दिलाता है। स्वतंत्रता दिवस हमें याद दिलाता है कि अपने देश को और उसके मूल्यों को सम्मान देना चाहिए। आज़ादी के बाद हमारे देश ने बहुत उन्नति की है। हम सभी प्रतिज्ञा करते हैं कि अपने भारत को विश्व का सर्वश्रेष्ठ देश बनाएंगे। जाते जाते मैं अपने भाषण का समापन एक शायरी से करना चाहूँगा। देशभक्तों से ही देश की शान है, देशभक्तों से ही देश का मान है। हम उस देश का फूल है यार, जिस देश का नाम हिंदुस्तान, हिंदुस्तान, हिंदुस्तान। इस अवकाश दिए प्रधान अध्यापकों को मेरा धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Their lives and happiness.
28. She was died on 18th June in Gwalior. The Queen of Jhansi was one of the fierce and most brave person, and she was leave the country to fight for the freedom and inspired the several women for their rights. She defended her palace and with her newborn child, and she inspired a very brave person. In 1858, which was British forces, she was fight very forcefully. Thank you.
Subhash Chandra was born 23rd January 1897. He was died 18th August 1945. Subhash Chandra Bose was independent known as Netaji was born to Odisha. He may have been shaken by the Jallianwala massacre and forced to leave England for India in 1921. He became a member of the Indian National Congress and participated in the civil disobedience movement. His part assisted in Germany after becoming dissatisfied with Gandhiji's non-violent method of freedom, and finally found the Azad Hind government and Azad.
March 1931. Bhagat Singh was a well-known revolutionary and a contentious and my personal favorite freedom fighter for India, who eventually died as a proud martyr for his nation. He was born on Punjab in a Sikh family of independence warrior. Since he was a naturalized citizen, he joined non-cooperation movement in 1921. To foster patriotism in Punjabi youth, he founded India Independence Struggle.
Actually, I am 6th standard. Today I tell he born on 3rd December 1884. He was died 20th February 1963. Dr. Rajendra Prasad Dutt created 1952-1962. Saw his goal come true. He was also among the first Indian president to be elected to 2 consecutive terms. He raised money for Searchlight and Desh during the independence movement, while also contributing articles to these periodicals in 1962. Thank you for our. Shastri was born in 2nd October 1904. He was died on 11th January 1966. Lal Bahadur Shastri was born in Mughalsari, Uttar Pradesh in 1904. When he finished his studies at Kashi Vidyapeeth, he received the title as Shastri Scholar. He joined the Mahatma Gandhi-led Salt Satyagraha campaign, the civil disobedience movement and the Quit India movement as a silent but active liberation warrior. Being an independence freedom fighter, he spent a lot of time behind bars. He held the office of Home Minister once India's independence, being elected as second Prime Minister of India in 1964. The most popular phrase Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan was coined by him in 1965. All of you, thank you. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, he was born on 31st October 1875. He was died 15th December 1950. Also known as the Iron Man of India and Bismarck of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was known for being very brave. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel left the legal profession to fight for India's independence from British Indians following British control. He was appointed country deputy prime minister and worked tirelessly to bring princely states into the Union of India. Also received the Bharat Ratna Award for his hard work and dedication. Thank you.
Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He born is 2nd October 1869. He was died is 30 January 1948. The father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, ended the name because his great movement dates like non-violence movements. He married when he was 13 and studied law in London before traveling South Africa to law. There he was inspired to fight for human rights by seeing racial dispute. Some Indians Gandhi by seeing how India being ruled the British people in his quest for independence by remove the salt tax. Thank you everyone.
It's an honor for me to address you all on our 77th Independence Day today. As we all know that it was on this fateful day in 1947 that we gained independence thanks to the freedom fighters and political visionaries of that time. They had envisioned a free and united India and fought courageously against British invaders to make their dream true. Finally, their dream was realized on 15th August 1947, though the nation had to pay a heavy price for it. With the joy of independence comes the sorrow of possession. The celebration of independence was narrated by the formation of Union of Pakistan, 14th August 1947, and battered by the communal violence and following it. When half of India rejoicing its independence, half of it was burning from communal rights. This was not something that our freedom fighters and imagined. They need Indians to have a communal religions and cultural harmony. It is impossible to change history, but we can always change the future and make new history. Independence Day was indeed one of the most significant days in the history of India. But we must also remember those who have sacrificed their lives to make us live this day. We must not forget that any kind of demography division on the basis of religion, caste or creed will only hamper our progress. Let end the speech and pledge to maintain the sovereignty and equality. The nation of remember those who have to make us live, to give us independence. Thanks for giving and golden opportunity, and we feel pleasure say about on this auspicious day. Jai Hind.
Good morning, respected sir and madam. Good morning to teacher. Good morning to my dear children. What is today's special? Independence Day. Today is Independence Day. First of all, I wish you all very happy Independence Day. This year we are celebrating 77th Independence Day. Independence Day is the national festival of our country. On 15th August 1947, India became independence from British rule. Our great freedom fighters devoted whole life for the independence of our country. We should be great freedom fighters of our country. Today we are all standing proudly hard to celebrating our National Independence Day. National Independence Day is most significant day in history of India because it reminds about the bravery and struggles for so many freedom fighters. Everyone present here today we can gather to celebrate independence. Thank you.
Attention. Wish you very happy Independence Day. It's very happy to tell all the freedom fighters stories on the occasion of the Independence Day. So, under gurinchi vinnam kada, Bhagat Singh, Lala Lajpat Rai, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Rajendra Prasad, Gandhiji. These are all the freedom fighters who gave the independence. And Jawaharlal Nehru, he declared on August 14th. By the morning, we had to celebrate August 15th. On August 15th, Independence Day. So he concluded, all the team of the freedom fighters concluded to celebrate our Independence Day on August 15th. So 14th, Manapu division అయిపోయిన తర్వాత we are celebrating August 15th as Independence Day. It's very happy to celebrate once again. Be strong, and we have the right to be freedom, and we have to work for the freedom also. మనం ఫ్రీడమ్ గా ఇంకా ఉంటూ ఉండడానికి మనం కష్టపడుతూ పనిచేయాలి. ఓకే? And once again, all the best to all the children and happy Independence Day.
Thank you, Anshul.
Attention, Chinese. Attention, Chinese. Attention, national anthem.